Hi everyone, this is Bob McIntosh at MarineMax here in Naples, Florida, and today I'm on board our 2025 MJM4. Here in the aft cockpit, I've got ample room for 6 to 8 for entertaining, with great prep station space for food, charcuterie, electric grill, refrigeration, and tons of storage. We're standing in our enclosed cockpit and helm area, and what I really like about this space is, first and foremost, I've got conditioned air, I've got heat, but I also have fresh air when the weather allows for it. What I love about this bow seating area is it's really a conversation pit. Seating for 6 to 8, optional filler piece with filler cushion to turn it into a large day bed makes it a very, very inviting area.